Hello, I'm your Yogi Realtor coming at you at Independence Park here in Bluffdale, Utah. So you can see where we will be meeting this coming Saturday, April 3rd, 2021 from 12:30 to 1:30 p.m. for some free Easter yoga in the park. As you can see, there is plenty of room for a full house. So you can bring your friends, your neighbors, family, and come get some fresh air, some sunshine, as it's supposed to be 75 degrees out on Saturday, and meet some other friends. Who can't use more friends, right? Yoga is a great way to get out of your head and connect more fully with your body and your spirit. And as you connect with your breath, with the poses or postures, you'll notice yourself going inward. This is a great way to meditate throughout your practice, and especially at the end, which we call Shavasana, or the final resting pose, also called corpse pose. So if you feel life stress getting in the way of things you cherish and want most, come join us for some vinyasa yoga, which is also the flow yoga. We could all use a tool in our back pocket to allow us to have more joy and love in our life, don't you think? Hit the bell, like and subscribe to my YouTube channel to learn more about these free Yoga in the Park events, getting to know the community, and to enjoy tips and tricks on how to live a more calm, peaceful, joyous life here in Salt Lake County, near Salt Lake City, Utah, the #1 state for economy. Love and light, your Yoga Realtor, Kelliem.